Hey guys, it's Drew here with Drew's Quick Fixes and Hacks. If this video helps you out, make sure you click that subscribe button and get notifications. Today, we are going to talk about how to turn on your floodlight and leave it on if it's got a motion sensor, because it's always clicking off all the time, right? So these things suck. The sun warps the sensors, and sometimes the motion sensor doesn't even work. So here's how it goes, okay? This is a question that people are wondering over and over again, and some of you may know this, some of you may not. Okay, so if you want the light to turn on just for motion sense, click it up like this, then it goes on, okay? This light will remain on for probably, I think it's 30 seconds to a minute, and it'll turn off, okay? And then when it turns off, it's on motion sense only. So if you're not in the range of the motion sensor, it's not going to turn on, or, but if you want this light to stay on and not turn off after you click on the motion sense, or your sensor's messing up, so there it just turned off. I think it's 30 seconds that it turns off. So we're going to flip the switch down, wait 5 or 10 seconds to deactivate whatever that programming circuit is. Okay, so then we go up, turn it on, wait 2 seconds, down, and then up again. Now it's on, and now it should stay on regardless of the sensor for longer than 30 seconds. So I hope this helps you guys out. A lot of people know about this, a lot of people don't. I'll probably chat with you here just to see if it goes off, and I don't think it will. But personally, I dislike these motion sense set bulbs. Sometimes the sun, the UV radiation or whatever causes them to completely fade out, so the sensor won't even work anyway. But if you're outside working and you're not in range of that motion sensor, you definitely want to do it. Now, I'll show you another thing on here. I'm probably going to set off the motion sensor here. There's this little thing on here, okay? It's got an interval of test, 1, 5, and 10. Okay, it's upside down there. Okay, so if you want the light to go on for just a second and test the motion sensor, this thing right here, you put it on test, and when you walk in front of it, it'll go on right away, and then it'll click right off. If you want the light to stay on for 5 minutes, you click on the 5 minutes, and if you want to stay on for 10 minutes, you click on the 10 minutes. Now, as you can see, right now, it's at one minute interval there. So, yeah. So I hope that answers you guys' question of how to keep a floodlight sensor on when, so off, up. Now it's on just motion sense. So it's up, but the light is off. So when I walk out and activate the sensor, it turns on, see? Okay, guys. Well, if you have any questions, you can just click below. A lot of you probably knew this. A lot of you probably didn't. But hey, I'm all here just to help people who didn't have a knowledge of those things. It took me quite a while to figure these out. Like I said, I bought the house with these sensors and had no idea how to use them. Well, thanks for watching, guys. Click subscribe and give me a thumbs up. This is Drew with Drew's Quick Fixes and Hacks, and how to use your floodlights with motion sensors. Have a good night, guys.